Okay, guys, so we're going to talk about how to use the brush. So if you are watching this, I assume you have downloaded your brushes. So you're in the laptop. Please go to the bottom and type in Adobe Photoshop in that search bar and select Adobe Photoshop. You might have to log in. You would use your school email and password. So you need to get a piece of paper. It states to get 11 by 17. I don't care what size it is. If you just want to do create new, you could use 20 by 16. Make sure it says inches, width is 20, height is 16, and the resolution is 300. So then you hit create. So now you're going to have this white piece of paper. So let me show you how to select the brush. So this is the brush tool. Take the mouse and hover over, and it will tell you the name. If you want to push the mouse down on the tool, you have brush, pencil, color replacement, and mixer. So stay on the very top. So notice I have something here. I don't know what that is. So if you have something like that, once you hit the brush, let's reset it. Go up to the top to the second little icon where it's got a brush. Click on that arrow. Go to the settings, the circle, click on it, go down to reset tool. So then there won't be anything in it. So select the brush and go right here to where this other brush is, right under edit. Click on this, open it, go to settings, that circle, and reset. Okay, so now I need to draw and make a picture using those 5 different brushes. Let me show you how you can find those brushes that you downloaded. So you go right here. So the house, a brush, and then you have the third little item. Click on that arrow. You can change the width of the brush if you want it to be soft edge or hard edge. You can type in, let's say you know the name of the brush that you downloaded. So I know that I downloaded something called Rain. So if I would click on that, it would show up. Um, really, honestly, you just want to go into this bottom box and look. So see these arrows? You can open the folder by clicking on this arrow. So this is a watercolor brush, okay? And then it has watercolor 1, watercolor 2. You would click on one and then you would come over and you would see the effect. So let's say I'm going to make a beach scene. So I'm going to pick this. I am also going to go and change the color. So water would typically be blue. So if you select this square, I don't want it orange. So now I'm going to go to the rainbow. I'm going to click on blue. And then do I want a dark blue or a light blue? So depending on where you are, what is in that top square will be the color. If you like that color, then hit OK. All right. So this is the sheet of paper we're going to draw on. I'm going to put this up at the top. I'm just clicking one at a time and I'm making a sky. Okay. So then I'm going to go back in and pick a different brush. I have vintage eyes. I don't know if I need that or not. That's kind of different. I'm going to go to Ivy. And there's several different types. You really just need to click on it and come over and see what you get. So I think you just need to slow down and create. So usually Ivy would be green. So I'm going to change the color by clicking on this foreground color, going to this rainbow, clicking the green, and then decide what color I want. So I'm going to do dark. I'm going to hit OK. Then I'm going to click once. Oh, look at that. That is really cool. And I have no clue what I'm doing. I am just going to have fun. So I like that. I'm going to go and make a different color and go in between it. I mean, nothing you do is wrong. You just have to draw and make a photo or a picture using 5 different brushes. So get in there and try. Um, and don't be nervous. So I'm going to go do rain. Okay. And I think rain, let's see, what color do I want? Rain is probably blue, but what color do I want? Dark? Yes. So now I am going to click that, but I don't like that. If you want to go back one step, you can go edit, undo. I'm actually going to put it in the corner right there and then go over it. Okay. And you just keep building and building. So I have no clue what I'm doing, but I have used 3 different brushes. So in order for you to save this, after you have made something with 5 brushes, you want to go to File, you want to go to Save As, you want to probably go in and save it to your Google Drive. When you select the Google Drive, you want to go into My Drive, and then you want to find the folder that you made for our class, okay? You also want to make sure that you name this. So this is brush art, and then you can save it as a JPEG, hit save, hit OK, and then you need to go turn it in. So if you need any help, please watch this again.